if you can share some of your best practices related to managing your fleet. So repairs and maintenance, to kind of keeping the vehicles gassed up. Like, what tips would you share with someone looking to get into this business?
Yeah, the biggest thing is just keep up with it. Little things can compound and turn into big things very quickly if you aren't actively monitoring all of your maintenance with the van. So like doing your oil changes and, you know, all of those sorts of like routine maintenance that you would do on your own personal car. Like you need to be doing that stuff with the vans in your fleet. And it's easy to accidentally let that get away from you if you're not the one driving that van. You're going to have drivers that go and get in that van and there's 2 or 3 lights on the dash and they never tell you about it because it's working for them, and you know they don't even think to relay it to you. So being in the loop on those things, like whether it's a manager at your store or yourself, getting into the vans, turning them on, checking the mileage, checking the last time it's had routine maintenance done, making sure there's no lights on it, things like that. There's softwares that can help you track that, or you can just use like a Google Sheet or an Excel sheet, even paper and pencil works. Like there just needs to be something there that you are staying on top of that stuff with, so that you don't run into the really large issues after something's been sitting for a long time.
Amazing that someone would see lights on a dashboard and not mention that there may be something that needs to be fixed.
Yeah, it happens. I'm Travis, I don't know if you've seen it, but it happens all the time with us.
Yeah.
Oh, I totally agree. We do like maintenance Mondays where they go through, I have like a checklist to check me things. One of the things on there is there any lights on or anything abnormal? I do my best to listen to my drivers. They're the ones that are driving the vehicle, trying to get them to explain, hey, what's going on with the vehicle is important, because then you can do the maintenance on it. Still, every once in a while, every other week or so, I just take one of the vehicles out for a ride, and you can notice, hey, maybe the tire's getting flat or whatever. Preventative maintenance is the key. Otherwise you have a vehicle down, and then you got to find somewhere to rent, you know, to cover while your vehicle's getting repaired. So definitely preventative maintenance, paid for it. And I have a number for like 2022. So for 2 vehicles, I spent about $3,000 on maintenance, you know, between getting tires fixed or windshield or, you know, cracked mirror or liftgate maintenance, stuff like that. So I haven't split between each vehicle, but you can look at a couple $1,000s maintenance probably per vehicle each year. And that's probably a good number for people to use.